seafood lover, get in here. If you're a seafood lover and you would love this step-by-step video for this rice, please let me know. If you're not a seafood lover and you're not interested, also let me know. But for those who are, or I think would be interested, this would be a very perfect rice. It was so delicious. It exceeds my expectation. Trust me, the rice was top tier, top shutter. So let me know if you want it, and I'll definitely share it, guys. Stay blessed, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.